What's up guys, Miguel here with a quick video. This video is how to remove a ceiling tile wherein there's a fire sprinkler that goes through it. So for this one, you're gonna remove this guy over here. Just be careful not to do anything with the sprinkler tip because it will activate. So very carefully. You're gonna push it up on one side until you have the whole thing out. Over here in the back it's out already. And you're gonna kind of ease it through the hole until it goes through the sprinkler. Now once you're through the tip, you just slide it out like that, and then you have your piece ready. Don't discard this piece yet because you could use it as a template for the next piece that you are gonna use. And we can actually do that right now on this video. I'm gonna take some ceiling tiles or a ceiling tile, and we are gonna copy the hole over here. So pretty much that's the fresh ceiling tile right there, and this is the other one. And what we're gonna do is we are going to trace the hole. And of course, yeah, I do have it with me. So you're gonna line it up until it's perfect. Gotta make sure that it's perfect because that was pretty tight. So I'm just gonna go make my circle. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. I forgot my my whole dozer kit, so I will be using my knife. It's actually a Leatherman. So I'm just gonna cut around this guy, kind of like a can opener. It's actually a lot better with a hole saw, but if you don't have it, this will work just fine. See that? Just gonna carve it out until you're satisfied with the size of the hole. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger than what I took out so that it'll be easier to put back on. And then we're gonna go back over here. We're gonna reinstall this guy. And then it would be the same thing. You're gonna want to slide one side up first, past everything on the top over here. And then you're gonna line up the fire sprinkler until you're past the hole. Then you can really adjust it and just put it on. Just like that. And then you're gonna take this guy over here, you're gonna put it back up. And removal and installation is complete. I like to wear long sleeve shirts because that insulation stuff gets all. And that's what the finished installation looks like. Nice and clean. Although I didn't have the right tool, I made it work, and then this is the old one. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.